Magandang umaga, hapon, nag-umpisa niyo lahat. Ako nga pala si Leotin ay maglalaro tayo ng game na natawag na Pisonet. So basically, sa tong horror Filipino game, if I am right, but I'm not sure, but this is about a Filipino game about Pisonet kung saan is yung mga kabataan is dun sila nag-spend ng time every day kung wala silang pasok, especially ngayong bakasyon. So nag-uwi lang silang piso, lima-lima, 10 I mean piso, 5, eh, nakapaglaro na sila. Or yung iba naman is yung nagpapa-time na lang. So, ganun. I'm not sure. Kasi na-try ko na rin to before. Naglaro ako sa isang piso net. So, ayan. Let's try this game. And guys, before we start, please consider subscribing and drop a like. Please note 0457 Purok 2 piso net incident. So, ibig sabihin totoo to? I'm not sure eh. Subject, Jeff A. Santos, friend of missing persons. So, this could be real story, based on real story. October 2028 sa Dolphin. Putek, meron pang estudyante dito na galing eskwelahan na. Use mouse to look. Paano? Okay, ito yung may time nga. Putek, 10 hours. Press C to zoom view. Is ito, bawal tambay dito dapat eh, no? Bawal tambay dito. Putex na kaya aircons pa. Pisonet dati, wala eh. Pisonet namin. I mean yung pinag-aanohan ko. May nanonood ng Blood doon guys, Blood. Where is Jeff? It's getting late. Sino si Jeff? Kay yung yung friend nung no? Ito naman batang hamog na galing eskwelahan na nakikisali, yung mga maiingay. Kasi ito naman, yung lalaki na may kausap na siya o lagi sa computer shop. Mga ganong senaryo. Okay, ako pala yun. Putex, may pa tayo dito guys, so pansit canton. Paluto. No smoking, bawal manigarilyo. No watching. Bawal manood ng Blood dito. Bakit ka nanonood ng Blood dito? Matay. Yung ilaw. Wait. Bakit parang anino doon? Oh. That one got you really good, right? Hindi ko naman siya nakita. Yung sound yung terrifying eh. Right click to continue. Ha, very funny. Anyway, you're dismissed, soldier. Just gonna arrange the chairs real quick, then I'll leave WSD to move. Oh, here comes the employee of the month. Of course, I am. Frick you, bitch. Pangit mo. Ano gagawin ko? May tab ba ako? Paano natin ayusin to? Ano yung nilalaro mo, Dota? Ikaw. Uy, bawal yan ah. Lilipat mo pa pagtingin ko ah. Bawal yun ah. Gagawin ko dito. Okay. Bawal yan ah, ikaw. Bawal yan ah. Nahuli kita. Ikaw, okay ka lang dyan ang pinapanood mo. Ay, naglalaro kang Black Blast. Putek, uso ba ba yan? Black Blast ba yan? Ayun lang alam ko guys eh. Tetris ata yan. Tetris. Bulok naman yung andito. Ilaw. Tapos na ako. Ano na? Ano nang gagawin natin? Okay na, di ba? Palisin na ba natin sila? Bawal nanonood ng bastos dito. Kala mo di ko nakita yun. Alis na ba tayo? Ay, oo nga. Hey, same day tomorrow. Sure, I'll be here. He started a part-time job at our local business shop to earn some income. Lately, he felt something strange, like someone's always watching him. Ito na nangyayari. They say some people are medium, sensitive to things beyond. He don't want that. But on the night when he is on duty, it gets worse. Ito na, nagsisimula na. The air changes. May mumu, guys. Something watches. May mumu nga. O pala yun. Jeff said I can close the shop early. I guess there won't be any more customers. Right. I need to pack up things. Press the keyboard to stop music. Arrange chairs. Ano yun? Ano yun kanina? Pwede ko interact yun ah. O, text baka biglang gumalaw tong mga puan ah. Walang ganyanan. Baka meron. Ano yung pwede kong i-interact kanina? Pwede na ba tayo mo eh? I hate that freaking sound. Ano yun? Ito. I guess we were going home. What? Ah! Wait. Why is this slot always empty? I think I can add another unit here. Di ba inayos ko yung na yun? I just have to get the parts from the shelf. From the shelf? Left mouse click to grab. I need the pick up PC case, AVR, and piece of slot machine. Ako ito. Or yun na yung tarak ko dito kanina. O text, paano ba mag-crouch? May crouch ba to? Gagi din ang hinginig oh. Putik, nasa na yun? Okay guys, sinunod ko yung gameplay. Ayun nga. Ayun. Inayos ko na yun ah. Nakita ko na yung ganito. Putex nandun lang pala. Kanina siguro na ano ko nahawa ko kanina. Oh. Yan. Kanina di ba wala to? Hindi ko mahanap. Inulit ko yung gameplay. Ayan. Ano natin lalagay yan? Ganyan na lang. Saan na ito? Pero walang monitor eh. Ayun guys, naayos ko na. Putex, pwede na ba? Ooh! Gagi, kasi na yan. Putex, ang pangit. Hoy bata, who are you? Sino ka? Bawal trespassing dito. Hello? Let me out. He can't forget what happened that night, and since then, he always felt back pain. Kailangan mo ng matinding yung ginagamit sa construction. He took his leave and rested for a few days. Since he said he couldn't afford to lose the job, he forced himself to go back to work. So, wala tayong ibang choice kundi magstay sa work. But things started to change. Mas sumalala na naman siguro. Yes. He kept getting angry. Angry issue. May angry issue na. Too hard to talk to. Ayan na. Then it start. He became distant. I think guys, this is based in real events. I'm not sure kasi hindi ako aware. And itong game na to is, dinownload ko lang siya and hindi ko binasa about something. So 9 days ago, the presence. What you mean the presence? Yung cellphone na ako. Tawag guys. Sino to? Girlfriend ko? Ay si Jeff, how's the day shop going? Where are you? I need to go now. Pa-extend naman boss. Almost there, wait for me. You better be here by 9:55. So 5 minutes guys. Binigyan natin siya na extra 5 minutes. Hey, I only have 2 legs, you know. All ended. Wait, I want to tell you something. Wala na, namatay na eh. Weird. Is PC5 on? This can't be right. Oo nga, wala nang monitor dun. I need to check the PC5 slot. Di naman nakabukas. I am too tired for this. Mamaya, I want to go home now but I need to arrange the chairs at least. Ayusin na natin yung kuhan guys. So, di ba dito yung may nanonood ng blood? Kayo, ba't kayo, anong ginagawa nyo dyan? Naladota pa kayo dyan ha? Ikaw, umuwi ka na, lagot ka sa nanay mo, kutong ka na naman mamaya. Okay, so uwi na tayo. Nakas ko na yung... Wait! What in the world? Hey kid, are you okay? Where are your parents? Paano ka napunta dyan? Hey, keep it down. I hate these guys. Ina mo. Ayop kayo? Mura kayo ng mura. Bawal nagmumura dito, huy. Baka akala nyo. He knows what he saw. A child, bruised in tears. But he still doesn't understand what the boy wants from him. He have no choice. He is the only one that can see him. So I think based nga siya sa real events kasi possible na siya sa real events. Maybe this is the reason he was given this ability he thought and finally he chose to use it. He pulled himself together. He overcome his fear, sorry. He only wanted to help. Ako guys, gusto ko lagi na-overcome yung fears ko sa ano. Para maging ano ako. Lagi kong gusto i-overcome lahat ng mga bagay na mahihina ako. So, November 1. So, ano na, Halloween. The mistake. Okay, be brave. I can do this. Ako pa? I'm here. Show yourself. What the heck are you so... I want to help you. May mga ghost kasi na mga hindi sila good spirits. If that's what you want. Not again, today, huh? You want me to arrange the chairs? No. I'm not ready for this, please. No, ayoko. Alright, arrange. I already done this yesterday. So, nagiging matapang na tayo, nagiging frustrated na tayo. If you don't want me, I'll leave now. I need my phone before I go. Let's arrange the chair first before we go. Tek, tayo di mo babot. Tara na, alis na tayo. Ayan na naman siya, guys. Putix ka. Oh! Please. Wag ako. Press F to use phone flashlight. Complimentary horror game. Phone flashlight. Uy, na ako. Gina ako. Ang gagawin ko? Uwi na ako. Kotex. Dito na lang ako gagiga. Ano ba yung Jeff na yun? Oh! Gagi naman. Bad spirit ka. Ano, lumabas ka dyan. Kotex. Ayoko na, gagi. Nakabukas yung PC5. Nunod ata ng blood to ah. Bastos to ah. Yan. Newspaper. Authorities suspect foul play. Shop owner under investigation. Purok Dos, Manila. Okay guys, so this is about I think a real event talaga. Purok Dos, Manila, a young boy whose identity is still unknown was found dead late Tuesday evening inside a local business shop in Barangay 722. The severity of the injuries suggests this was not an accident, said Pio Alvarez of the Manila Police Newsroom. At this stage, we are treating the shop owner as a person of interest. The child cause of death is yet to be determined, and forensic teams are conducting an autopsy. Despite attempts to identify the boy, authorities have been unable to locate any relatives or guardians. The business shops has been shut down temporarily for further investigation. Further investigations. So now, several locals have come forward with reports of strange occurrences at the location. From power surges to unexplained sounds in the dead of night, it always felt like something was wrong there, said one neighbor who asked to remain anonymous. People said it was just the machines, but now what with this, I don't know anyone with information regarding the child of the shop's activities is encouraged to come forward. I found blood all over the walls. I never understand what happened to him. He doesn't answer my calls. It all started specific night. I tried asking around, but no one had seen him, not a single trace. It was like he never existed. Customers complained about the strange rotten smell. We searched everywhere, but couldn't find the source. It just wouldn't go away, so we decided to close the shop and move. Jeff. Okay, so about the missing guy is tayo, yung character na yon, I think. And I think this, yeah, story by Aldrin. Okay, so developed and created by Aldrin Evangelista under the, okay, so QC yan. Okay guys, that is all, that is the game all about. So I'm pretty sure na hindi siya scary for me. Like, yung pag-deliver lang ng game is yung scary doon. Pero the story is so fucked up and it's not that scary. It's like more depressing and sad. And hopefully, if that is real, is may the boy rest in peace. So, yeah, drop a like and subscribe.